AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 Cash Income, Expense and Transferring. You can make the cash income and expense transactions in your cash with cash processes, which is in the operations list under the Finance Management menu on WOLVOX. Within the cash processes, there are cash income entry where you can enter cash, cash expense entry where you can withdraw cash, and cash transferring where you can transfer cash between cash definitions. Since cash income entry and cash expense entry are structurally the same, we will see cash income entry and cash transferring in this tutorial. However, all the transactions you make in the cash income entry are also valid on the cash expense entry. Open cash income entry. In the window that opens, there is the operations button where you can access some shortcuts, the print button where you can print the entry you have made, and the open record button where the related form can be opened if any. You can add an extra filtering option for your reports and forms by adding a code to the record you entered from the custom code field. You can enter the document number field manually, or if you leave it blank in save, it will automatically receive a number from the relevant counter. You can select your cash account where you will enter the cash flow from the cash account name field. You can choose where in your group structure from the group, middle group, and subgroup fields. You can specify the amount in the process amount section, and you can specify a comment about your record in the comment field. Click the Save button after you complete your transactions. Now let's see the cash transferring. Open cash transferring from cash processes. Specify the transaction date on the screen that opens. You can manually enter the document number field, or if you leave it blank and save, it will automatically receive a number from the relevant counter. Since this will be a transfer transaction, the custom code field will also come as a transfer by default. You can change this if you wish. You can enter a description of the recording in the comment field. You can select the cash where cash will come out from the source cash account field, and the cash where the cash will enter from the target cash field. You can enter the amount to be transferred from the process amount field. After making the changes, you can complete the transfer process by clicking the Apply Transfer button.